Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Hey, if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, stick around and watch some of our other videos. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, this is going to be a video, just an update, kind of tell you where I'm at with the channel and some of the things we got upcoming. So I haven't done a video in probably maybe 3 weeks, maybe going on a month. Our weather here in Georgia's just been our winters are just kind of terrible. I've kind of lost interest a little bit in getting outside and doing a couple things and filming a video, but we are here. We are going to produce some more videos and get things going. But first of all, a couple of things. The Jeep does need some repairs. We have been nursing along a manual transmission problem. I got worn synchros between second and third gear and sometimes fourth gear. But also I'm getting a little bit of gear lash noise and whine out of the manual transmission. I think it's just worn out. I'm a second owner. I think the previous owner, first owner, just with 321 gears and 35-inch tires, I think he just drove it too long in that configuration and probably caused that gear lash and whine noise that we got in the transmission. Potentially just, stress and load and wear on it. A lot of these problems came out when I re-geared the Jeep after doing some things and getting lockers put in it and re-gearing the Jeep properly. That's when some of these noises of the gear lash and whine started getting promoted and a lot louder. And then the synchros just finally, a few months after that, just started giving up. So we're going to get a new reman transmission stuck in it, hopefully about March. We are driving it occasionally. Like, it's not a daily driver anyways, but we are driving it. As long as we, with the synchros, just take our time, sometimes double clutch it and whatnot. It's not a problem. So we are driving it, and we'll continue to up until time to get a transmission. So that's one thing. I'm going to try to do that in March. And then also it's going to need tires. So I'm going to get tires put on it probably sometime around in March. So March is just going to be just empty every pocket kind of thing to get some of those hardcore things done on the Jeep and the transmission and tires. For videos, let's see what we got coming up for videos. I got a Poison Spider hood louver, an aluminum hood louver that I need to cut a big gaping hole in the hood, get that mounted. That's going to be kind of cool. I got two videos I'll probably do. I may do them in one video, but I'm going to do a couple videos on how to carry your tactical shotgun or sporting rifle in your Jeep. I got two options. I got one, it's a little bit on the lower end, affordable scale, and the other one, it's still affordable, but it's pricey at like $200. So we're going to get something up on the high end, something on the low end, and give you some options on how to carry sporting rifle, shotgun, tactical shotgun, maybe even a hunting rifle in your Jeep. So that'd be pretty cool. One of the other videos we got coming out, let's see. I want to do the rocker panel guards. I found some nice bare aluminum ones. Used a nut insert tool and, got a bunch of holes to drill in the body. So I want to put those in. One reason being is I got a couple down on my lower rocker panels. They're a little bit hidden by the ruby rails that I got on there now, but I got a couple of small dents down there. It looks like before we even had anything on the Jeep and the panels were naked. Maybe a stick or log that we ran over has kind of bumped the rocker panels. Put a couple small dents. I'd have to show them to you, just kind of point them out, but it bothers me. So I want to put those rocker panel guards just as a nice dress up piece, make it look good and cover those up. Some other videos that we got coming out. I got a 3.5-inch Rancho suspension kit that we're going to put on the Jeep. We're going to take off a 2.5-inch and put a 3.5-inch on. That's going to be complete with all 8 control arms. So that's going to be pretty cool. That's going to be time. I got the kit. I'm just waiting on the weather to get a little better so I can go out and attack that. I'd like to have at least 2 days, 2 or 3 days, just to take my time and get it done and do it right. So we got the Rancho lift kit we're going to put on. That's going to work really well with the Rancho RS 9000 adjustable shocks that we have. What else for videos that we're going to have? Oh, I'm looking at probably going to change the, you've seen the sun top, cargo top that we have on the Jeep. We're still sticking with a sun top, but I'm gonna go with a fastback top on the back just to change the look of the Jeep. And I think that'd be pretty cool. So we're gonna probably do that. Stick with the sun top stuff, but just we're gonna, instead of the cargo, go to the fastback. And I'm sure there's gonna be some other videos coming out. We got a couple places that we want to explore. I got an area that I want to explore just north of Chattanooga. It's kind of like a maybe a locals only kind of spot. It is legal to ride there. It's kind of WMA or whatever, WMA land, wildlife management area. But it's kind of like a locals only spot. So we're going to do a video there. Probably won't. I've been asked not to disclose the location of it and all this, but that's fine. I'll respect that because it's kind of a locals only. So we want to explore that. We definitely want to get down. I think it's called River. Is it River Rock down in middle South Georgia? We want to try that out. And of course, there's a lot of local places here north of us that we want to try out. You know, AOP, and there's a place over in Jacksonville, Alabama that we want to definitely want to try it out as well. Trying to think what some more videos I got planned out for Jeep modifications or Jeep repairs. I know I got the lift kit to do. I got the hood louver to install. I got the rocker panels to do at the bottom. We're going to do the shotgun sporting rifle video to how to carry those items in the Jeep. I think that's what I have for parts currently laying around that I've are ready to go on the Jeep. So that's going to be kind of cool. So definitely, hey guys, I want you to stick around. And like I said, I know it's been a little bit since I've done a video, but make sure you stick around. Stay with us, and make sure you subscribe. Watch all the videos. If you want to, hit the little bell for notifications when I do upload a video. And I appreciate all y'all's support. We're approaching 3,000 subscribers. I mean, we're really close. We're like maybe less than 100. So we're really approaching 3,000 subscribers. And I thank every one of y'all for your support and for watching the videos. And thanks again. And stay tuned for new upcoming videos.